In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accurately price your Udemy course. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your current course offerings, understanding how to set your course price is crucial. Not only does it affect your potential earnings, but it also plays a significant role in how your course is perceived by potential students. First things first, start by navigating to the Udemy homepage. Once there, you'll want to dive into the instructor section of the site. This area is designed specifically for creators like you, providing tools and resources essential for course management and development. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so to access these features. Next up, head over to the Courses tab. This section houses all your current course offerings and is where you'll begin the process of setting or adjusting your course prices. In the list of courses, find the one you intend to work on. You might have multiple courses listed, so make sure to select the correct one to prevent any mix-ups. Upon locating your desired course, look for the Edit/Manage Course option. This is your gateway to modifying various aspects of your course, including the content, description, and yes, the pricing. Clicking this will take you to another submenu dedicated to different course components. In this submenu, locate and select the Pricing option. This is where the actual pricing process begins. Once in the pricing section, you'll notice different settings that can be adjusted according to how you want to position your course in the market. Now look for the backup price tier option. This rather technical sounding term simply refers to Udemy's structured pricing model, which allows instructors to set their course prices within a range predefined by the platform. Selecting this will reveal the pricing tiers available for your course. Here comes the crucial part, changing the price. After clicking on backup price tier, you'll be presented with a list of price options. These tiers are designed to reflect different price points that match with Udemy's global market strategy. Choose the tier that you believe aligns best with the value of your course content, the target audience's purchasing power, and your earnings goals. Keep in mind that competitive pricing can help attract more students, but undervaluing your course might not reflect the high quality of your work. Once you've selected a suitable price tier for your course, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located near the bottom or top of the page, and click it. By clicking Save, you confirm the pricing changes, and they'll be implemented immediately or as per the schedule you've set. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully navigated through the process of setting or updating your Udemy course price. Remember, pricing is an integral part of your course's success. It's not just about how much you earn, but also how accessible your course is to potential students worldwide. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your course price based on feedback, market trends, and your personal goals is a smart strategy for any Udemy instructor. Don't forget, this process isn't set in stone. As the market evolves and your course receives more feedback, revisiting the pricing strategy should become a routine part of your course management efforts. While Udemy provides guidelines and tools to aid in setting your price, the final decision always rests in your hands. Take advantage of analytics and student feedback to guide your decisions, ensuring your course remains both competitive and fairly priced. Wrapping up, pricing your Udemy course effectively is a blend of art and science, considering the value you provide, understanding market dynamics, and aligning with student expectations. By following the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to mastering this crucial aspect of online course creation. Remember, the goal is to offer great value to your students while also sustaining your passion for teaching and content creation. Good luck and happy teaching.